Excuse me, you alright? No problem. See ya. Do you use such short phrases in English? And are wondering if that's a thing in Hindi as well? Of course it is. Let's learn it today. Hi there. Welcome to Hindi Starter Kit, where I teach simple everyday Hindi step by step to absolute beginners. Today we'll be looking at 20 phrases that are very commonly used in daily life. You'll find these phrases quite useful for your conversations. Now, these aren't complete grammatical sentences, and mostly the subject of the sentence is an implicit one that you understand based on the context. One more important point, most of these phrases are extremely casual. So, you will typically use these with friends, siblings, and in some cases your parents. And if you keep your tone polite, you can use these for people you meet on the street as well. To be clear, I'm not saying that these phrases are disrespectful in any way. They are just informal. We begin with maaf kijiye. Maaf kijiye. Now, once again, as usual, I would like to point out the format that I'm using for these slides. This is the pronunciation, the way you're going to say these phrases, right? Here on top, we have two things. The first one is how this will be written in the Devanagari script of Hindi. This is the direct translation of these words, right? So, for instance, over here, maaf kijiye basically just means forgive. Do forgive. Something like that, right? So, that's what I've written over here, which is just the direct translation. And here is what you will use the word for. What is the actual meaning that people understand? So, once again, maaf कीजिए. Maaf is a borrowed word from Urdu, and maaf कीजिए basically means that you forgive me. But you can use it for like excuse me or I'm sorry. Both are fine, right? So let's say you see someone, you'll be like maaf कीजिए, and you can continue with your whatever question you had for them. Or you're walking on the street and someone is in your way and you want them to move aside. You can say maaf kijiye, something like that. And literally, because it is you forgive me, you can use it for I'm sorry as well. But in general, it is mostly used for excuse me. Okay? So, maaf kijiye. Maaf kijiye. Maaf kijiye. Next, kaise ho. Kaise ho. Kaise means how. Ho is a form of to be. Here it is are, right? So how are. Kaise ho. Kaise ho means how are you? So when you meet someone, you'll be like, kaise ho, right? How are you? What's up? How's everything? Kaise ho. Okay? Kaise ho. Sab theek? Sab theek. So this is the same phrase. First I've written with a question mark and then as a statement. So sab means all or everything. Theek means good, okay, fine. Right? So basically it means all good. So you can ask it as a question. Sab theek, which means that is everything okay with you? Everything good with you? Right? Sab theek, sab theek, and as a statement, sab theek. Sab theek means yeah, it's all good. So sab theek. Everything good? Yes, it's all good. So you can reply to kaise ho with sab theek. Yeah, so kaise ho? Sab theek. It's all good. Everything is wonderful. Alright? बहुत अच्छा. बहुत अच्छा. बहुत means very. अच्छा means good. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Wonderful. Amazing. बहुत अच्छा can be used in any situation, right? Like let's say, like we said, कैसे हो? You can say बहुत अच्छा. I'm very good. Let's say you're eating something and someone asks you how do you find it, बहुत अच्छा. You can use it in any context. So yeah, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. और बताओ, और बताओ. This means and tell. और बताओ. So and you tell, right? What's up? What else is going on in life? For instance, like you're having a conversation with someone and you talked about yourself and now you want to ask about the other person, right? You want to know how are things going in their lives. So you'll be like, और बताओ. Okay? और बताओ basically means that now you tell how's everything going with you. Okay? What's up? What else is going on in your life? How was your day? What did you do? Anything, right? It all depends on the context. But और बताओ just means tell me more or tell me what's up. Okay? और बताओ. और तुम, और तुम, और तुम. This translates to and you. So this is used for and what about you, right? Let's say someone says कैसे हो, you say बहुत अच्छा, and then you continue और तुम, right? So I'm good and you, what about you, how are you? Okay, so और तुम, और तुम. कुछ खाएं, कुछ खाएं. Kuch means some, something, little bit. Khaएं is a form of the verb eat. Khaएं. Kuch khaएं. So you're going to use it for should we eat something, right? Or let's go eat something. So this way when you're asking a question, you're asking whoever you're talking to, like, should we go eat something? Or why don't we eat something? Or I'm hungry, let's go eat something, right? Kuch khaएं. That's how you say kuch khaएं. Then कल का क्या plan? कल का क्या plan? कल is tomorrow. Ka means the apostrophe S which is there, right? So kal ka means tomorrow's. Kya means what? And plan we're using the English word. So kal ka kya plan? This again you'll ask someone when you want to know what is the plan for tomorrow or what is their plan for tomorrow, right? Again, based on the context, you can be asking someone what they plan to do tomorrow, or what is our plan for tomorrow, or what is the plan for tomorrow. So, कल का क्या plan? कल का क्या plan? कल का क्या plan? What's up for tomorrow? What do we do tomorrow? What's our plan for tomorrow? So, kal means tomorrow, right? That means you can change it. Instead of kal ka kya plan, you can say aaj ka kya plan. Aaj means today. So what is today's plan? Aaj ka kya plan? Sham ka kya plan? Raat ka kya plan? Sham is evening. Raat is night. So kal ka kya plan means what's the plan for tomorrow. Aaj ka kya plan is what's the plan for today. Sham ka kya plan is what's the plan for the evening. And raat ka kya plan is what's the plan for night. और फिर, और फिर, और फिर. Or once again it means and. We've seen it multiple times today. Fir means then. And then. And this is something that you use in English also, right? So when, let's say someone is telling you a story and then you're like, oh, what happened then? What happened after that? That's it. That's what this is used for, right? So, or fir. और फिर क्या पता, क्या पता. क्या means what? Pata means no. Kya pata. When you say kya pata, it basically is used for I don't know or who knows or I have no idea. Okay? So kya pata. So why did it not rain today? Kya pata. Why didn't she call you today? Kya pata. Who knows? No idea. Right? So kya pata. क्या पता. क्या पता. ठीक है. ठीक है. ठीक. Once again, we've seen earlier, it means okay, all right, fine. And है means is. So ठीक है means is okay. Okay, all right, fine. Again, this can be used whenever you want to say fine or okay, right? So let's say someone asks you if this is okay, you'll be like, yeah, theek hai. Or if someone says that we'll meet in the evening, so you'll be like, yeah, theek hai. Maybe you're in a restaurant and the waiter says that I'll bring you cold water, you'll be like, theek hai. Okay? So, theek hai. Theek hai. Before we move on, if you're finding this useful, please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Maybe leave a thumbs up. And if you want to continue learning Hindi with me, do consider subscribing to the channel and switching on notifications. And thanks a lot for watching so far. Let's continue. Chalta hu. Or if you are a girl, chalti hu. Okay? Chalta hu. Chalti hu, which literally translates to I walk, but the way this is used is I'll get going now or I'm leaving, right? So this is something that you use at the end of your meeting with someone and you're like, okay, now I'm leaving, or okay, I'll get going. You'll be like, chalta hu. Or if you are a girl, you'll be saying chalti hu. So this is something at the end of your meeting with someone, right? It's a form of goodbye. चलता हूँ. चलती हूँ. कोई बात नहीं. कोई बात नहीं. कोई means some. बात means talk. And नहीं means no. And when you say कोई बात नहीं, it's something like no talk or nothing talk, yeah? But you use koi baat nahi for it's okay, no problem, no worries. Koi baat nahi. Someone does something and they are worried about offending you or hurting you and you're like, oh no, that's no big deal. Koi baat nahi. Let's say you're meeting someone and they arrive late and they are apologizing and you're like, no problem dude, it's okay. Koi baat nahi. Okay? So, koi baat nahi. No problem. It's okay. Don't worry. Everything is alright. Koi baat nahi. Milte hain. Milte hain. Which means meet. We meet. Milte hain is again a form of goodbye, which means see you later or meet you later. I'll meet you later. I'll see you later. So let's say you say chalta hu and after that you can say milte hain, which means we'll meet again. So milte hain. Milte hain. Okay? ये कितने का. ये कितने का. Ye means this. Kitne ka is a casual way of saying how much. So ye kitne ka means how much is this. So this is used for asking the cost or the price of something. So let's say you're in a shop or something, you point to whatever you want to buy and you can ask ye kitne ka. how much is this? What is the cost for this thing, right? ये कितने का? ये कितने का? ये दे दो और 3 दे दो. So दे दो means give, and ये means this, 3 means 3. Let's say if you're buying bananas, so it'll be like एक दर्जन or एक dozen दे दो. If you're buying some liquid like milk or something, तो 1 liter दे दो. Okay, whatever. So दे दो means give, and ये means this. 3 is 3 kg, liter, whatever it is. So basically you're asking someone to give you something. Okay. So in the previous one we saw ye kitne ka. After that the guy will tell you the price or whatever, and then you can say ye de do, give me this, right? Or 3 de do, 2 de do, 1 de do. So I'm counting 1 2 3, 1 de do, 2 de do, 3 de do. But ye de do, which means give me this. I want to buy this. Give me this. Now, obviously, it doesn't mean that you want to buy something. If you're not talking to a shopkeeper, if you're talking to a friend or something, it still means give me. So, ye de do. Give me this. And then a similar one, ye le lo. Ye le lo means take this. You take this. Ye de do. Ye le lo. Ye le lo, right? You take this. नहीं चाहिए. नहीं चाहिए. नहीं means no. चाहिए means want. I don't want, or I don't want this. नहीं चाहिए. I don't want this, right? So going back to the words that we've seen, ye kitne ka, let's say he says some money amount and you're like, nahi chahiye. Nahi chahiye. Okay? Then, aise nahi. Aise nahi. Aise means like this. Nahi means no. So, aise nahi means not like this. And that's pretty much the meaning also. So, aise nahi, not like this. Let's say someone is doing something in some manner and you think it should be done in a different way. You can say aise nahi. Or someone is giving you something and you don't want them to give you in that manner. You can say aise nahi. Yeah, so not like this. Don't do this like this. Aise nahi. Okay? And the last one is haan aise. Haan aise. So aise means like this. We just saw it. Haan means yes. So haan aise means yes like this. Haan aise. So let's say someone is doing something in a wrong way and you tell them aise nahi, and you correct it, and then they start doing it in the correct way, and then you can be like haan aise. Okay, that's one use case. So aise nahi, haan aise. So that's it for this one. I hope you found this video useful and learned something new. And since you're still here, please do subscribe and switch on the notifications so that you don't miss the next videos. And let me know if you have any ideas for my next lessons. See you next time. Till then, take care.